Hello everybody, Floppy Hat Photos back here again for another one of my 52 new restaurants in 2018. And today's new restaurant is a place called Papa B's. It was a little, I don't know, I guess like a wing shop is kind of what their claim to fame is. It was, yeah, I think that's what they're going by. So they have burgers and they have other food and stuff too, but they had a wing special going on. A friend of ours, traveling comic, trying to get on HBO and different things around the country. She's been working. She had a little meet and greet with some of her friends and some of the different people and whatnot, some co-workers and everything else we showed up to. She had it going on, and she's a giant fan of wings. Like, she absolutely loves wings and everything about wings. So it was kind of a come out and eat wings with Shireen kind of deal. So we ended up going over there. We actually went kayaking earlier in the day and ended up basically stopping by on the way over to like a car wash and kind of cleaned herself up, changed into some more normal clothing, not kayaking clothing, and went ahead from there, headed over to the shop. Great service, super friendly people. It's kind of just a, I don't know, medium size, small medium restaurant, not really a cafe per se, but they were big into, like, they had the sports on all the TVs around the whole place, and racing and different things on. They were definitely more of a sports type bar feeling place, which has never been my real strong suit, but we just had a great time. We ended up, there was, I don't know, probably 20 of us or so showed up. It was a pretty good turnout. Had a great little deal there. We ended up having the honey barbecue wings. They had a special 10 wings, fries for $10. And I guess I didn't realize when we got the bill, it was $1 extra for the honey barbecue wings, but we're good with it. So $11 basically for 10 wings and an order of fries, which Karen and I shared, because we really are not wing people. We really don't care about wings. We don't like wings. Wings have never really been our thing. So I went ahead and said heck with that. Just chilled out though, had a good time, had a great conversation with some new people we'd never met before. Talked to Matt and Shireen a little bit and stuff, but ended up talking actually to a coworker of theirs, or of hers, and then another couple. I'm not sure where they know Shireen from, but got talking to them quite a bit and actually had a wonderful conversation. So it was a good time. The rest of the food they brought out looked phenomenal for everybody else in the restaurant was ordering. Their burgers looked great. They had all kinds of stuff, many things on the menu, but we just stuck with the order of wings and fries because it's kind of special. I don't know if Shireen was getting a bit of a kind of like a bring 'em type thing for a comedy show. She was getting a little bit of a kickback per order of wings and stuff, or who knows what. So went ahead and stuck with that special, and I think the draft beer was like $1.50. Karen had herself a I think it was a Bud Light is what it was, but she had herself a beer for like $1.50. So how can you go wrong with a $1.50 beer? It's the cheapest you're going to find it around the area. So definitely pretty cool. It's over in Longwood or Altamont, or I don't know, somewhere over there. So half an hour from where we kayaked from is all I remember. I punched the address in on my phone and drove over. So a little place called Papa B's. Pretty happy with it. Good food, amazing service, super content in the whole deal. So that's all I got for right now. I will talk to you all soon. Have yourself a safe, wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Get out there, find yourself someplace new to eat, and enjoy your life. Take care.